Once you log in, you'll be at your dashboard. This gives you an overview of your site and maybe some new events. Now, pages differ from posts in that pages are they're your more core pages of your site. So you'll find pages like about or contact or home or services, and if you want to edit them, you just simply click the edit button. You'll learn more about how to edit and how to lay out these pages with the content elements and the media elements. But for now, this is a rough representation of what's on my services page. If I wish to rearrange these or edit them, I just click these buttons and then change the icons, change the title, change the text. And when I'm done, I click save, and then I update the page.